we can understand and we know man is not the largest of creatures on the earth. We are also not the strongest. We are not the fastest. We don't even have the best eyesight out of all the creatures. And we can only breathe air. We can't survive in water. However, mankind has something unlike anything else on this earth. Man has a powerful intellect, an enlightened soul, the ability to reason and reason deeply, to plan, to construct, and to create. Man has a deep and wide awareness of himself and of those around him and the surroundings. Man has a spirituality that he can accept and utilize and benefit, or ignore and reject. And unlike animals, we can manufacture sophisticated tools and weapons. We cook our own food. We have a varied and rich diet. We are agricultural. We grow our own food and raise our own animals, domesticate them. We utilize sophisticated languages, writing, drawing. We use clothes and jewelry. We have a huge diversity of rituals, culture, religion, systems of belief. We even bury our dead. We invent. We explore. We discover. We analyze. We research. We undertake long-term planning for ourselves and our species and our environments. We conduct trade. We create technological advanced machineries. We have and use the ability to question and reason and argue. In fact, the only similarity to animals is the stuff that we are made from, the atoms and molecules. As Almighty Allah has stated, we are from dust or from clay, from the material of this earth. Almighty Allah has shown us that while we may have the same molecules and structure as other creatures, we may even look like some animals, with our body structures internally and externally being quite similar. Even our DNA showing similarities, but our mind, our soul, our actions differentiate us. Our intellect differentiates us. It allows us to become the strongest, the fastest, the best, or even the worst. It allows us to reshape the earth to such an extent that it can even be considered a new geological period, the effect man has had on the earth. Humanity has now spread to every corner of this fragile planet. Man has reached the deepest of the oceans, the highest of the mountains, even walked on the moon, and landed on other planets, and landed on the moons of other planets. Our spacecraft have even left our solar system. Our abilities and our achievements are amazing as a species, unrivaled, unchallenged. We have the power to destroy the earth in multiple ways with our weapons or even with our wastage. We have the freedom and the ability to accept morality, or to change morality, or even to reject morality. None of Allah's other creation comes close to any of these areas. لَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ فِي أَحْسَنِ تَقْوِيمٍ. We have created man in the best way, says Allah Almighty. Our intellect, our sophistication, our abilities to reason and to ponder, to philosophize, to believe in an afterlife, to go beyond our basic needs and our essential requirements. We are not confined like all other animals and plants are confined to basic rules, to basic roles, and to their genetic programming. Our souls and genetic algorithms are divinely inspired to be special and to be different. We do not require science to show or prove this. We just need to open our eyes, and we can see clearly the enormous differences